Hi everyone, this is a problem from the maximum power transfer and it is one of the important model. So see here one circuit is given here. So for this circuit one load is connected. So at which load we get a maximum power drawn to that load. So this is the problem. So according to the maximum power transfer theorem, we have maximum power calculated as Vs magnitude square by 8 RL. So where Vs means the voltage across ZL and RL is the load impedance, that is pure impedance. So from this formula we'll get the maximum power delivered to the load. So first of all I am going to find the voltage across ZL. So for that open this element. So by rewriting the circuit becomes like this. So here load is open circuited. So when you observe here, this capacitor also is in the position of open circuit. Though by removing these elements, then circuit becomes like this. We want the voltage across these two elements, that is the Vs. So when you observe that these three elements are in series, so in this loop the current is I. So first of all find the current I. So I equal to voltage by 24 with angle 0 divided by total impedance, that is 4 plus 6j plus 4. So that's equal to 24 with angle 0 divided by 8 plus 6j. But here we want the Vs. So Vs equal to I into this impedance, that is 6j plus 4. So I we got from this equation. Now substitute here 24 with angle 0 divided by 8 plus 6j into 6j plus 4. So convert this into the polar form. So then it becomes 24 with angle 0. So it becomes 10 with the angle of tan inverse of 6 by 8. And here root 52 magnitude with angle of tan inverse of 4 by 6. So it becomes 24 by 10 into root of 52. Here phase is tan inverse of 4 by 6 minus tan inverse of 6 by 8. So this is the angle. So by using calculator we will get this value equal to 17.31 with angle 19.44 degrees. So this is the voltage. This is the Vs. So Vs we got. So Vs equal to 17.31 with angle 19.44 degrees volts. Now similarly find the load impedance. How can you find the load impedance? So for finding the load impedance, first of all find the Thevenin's resistance. For that short circuit the voltage. So by rewriting circuit, then circuit become like this, as for getting RTH here voltage source is short circuited. So find the RTH here. So RTH here, here 4 ohms is parallel with this impedance. So that is 4 ohms parallel with 4 plus j6 and this total in series with minus j3 ohms. So that becomes 4 into 4 plus j6 divided by 4 plus j6 minus of j3. So by simplifying this we will get 2.72 minus j 2.04 ohms, and this is the Thevenin's resistors. So when you observe here, these resistors are not a pure impedance. So here whenever the Thevenin resistance are complex form, so load impedance equal to complex conjugative of Thevenin resistance. So that is 2.72 plus j 2.04 ohms, and this is the load impedance. So see here, so for A plus IB the complex conjugate is A minus IB. So by applying this we will get this value, and this is the load impedance because it is not pure impedance. Okay, so load impedance we got ZL equal to 2.72 plus j 2.04. Now substitute these two values in this equation, then we get the maximum power. So that is, so here we want the magnitude. So magnitude is 17.31. So 17.31 whole square divided by 8 into, so RL means it's the pure impedance, that is 2.72. So by simplifying this, we will get 13.77 watts. So here 13.77 watts is there, and 2.72 plus J2 means option A be the correct option for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification for getting the solution. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit like the video. Thank you.